Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share to you about how to make wall bookshelf in this Sketchup application. First of all, you have to make rotated rectangle with any length. You have to make a rotated rectangle with any length and any thickness. Okay, and then you have to push it up around 3000 millimeters, right? Then you have to make it group, and then now you have to make a basic pattern of the shape. Anyway, then you have to make basic pattern with a line. You can draw this with 400 millimeter, and the tall is 400 millimeter also. Then you have to give this thickness with offset. The offset is around 20 millimeter, and then you have to complete this pattern with a closed line. Anyway, then you have to push it to the front around 350 millimeter, something like this. Then you have to make it component, just create it, and then you can move and press control of it. You can move and press control. You can position on this side, and then you have to repeat the movement. You have to repeat with movement, something like this, and then you can adjust the position, something like this, and after that you have to make a mirror, just like the sum of this object, and move and press control to duplicate it, and you have to make it group for the first. Then you have to flip it along with a red axis, something like this. And then you can adjust this and make unique force, and then you have to push it up, maybe something like this, and then you can duplicate it. You can move it in proper position, and then you can duplicate it. Okay, and then you have to make a backdrop of this wall bookshelf with this line. You can follow the step. You have to make this backdrop with a line. Just follow the step. I'm sorry. Just follow the step carefully. Then you have finish it, and you can just erase some unnecessary object, something like this. Then okay, something like this, and then you can push it to the front with any thickness as you want. Anyway, then you can repeat the same method with this object with a line. Anyway, with a line, and you can continue with the same method of this. Okay, and then you have to push it to the front. Anyway, okay, and then you can just move and press control of it and position on it. And now you can adjust the wall color. Okay, as you want. Anyway, so you can get the maybe you can select this wall color to make it more representative, and then you can add a material with a synthetic surface. You can select the formica laminated light as usual, something like this. Okay, it's finished. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you will get a lot of benefit of this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.